Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate what the Collectral is and how it works. Collectral is data collection tool which allows you to collect data from Android devices into your ERP content server, which is basically WordPress plugin. WordPress plugin adds functionality to WordPress site. So let's see how the Collectral is working. It consists of 3 components. The first one is basically the registration part where you register in main website, collectral.com. Here you get the point ID to the location of your collector ERP. Why is this required? It's because Android mobile devices should recognize location of your ERP and the software where you are collecting. To do that easily, you need to provide your employees the key itself, which will be used by Android device to connect to your server. It's important to mention that we don't store any data on our servers. All data which are being stored are basically on your website, and we are not responsible for the data security. We only store these 2 values, the key and the URL of your website, and in the future maximum the ID of device itself might be stored. The reason for this is that we need to control registration processes. We don't store any data which you collect. Collectral is a free application. To install it, we go to Get Started at the right corner of the page. Then go to Download Application. Here we have Android mobile devices. It's free and you just install it. Then you download Collectral ERP. You press here and download plugin. After that, in Plugins page you can install the plugin. Press Add a new plugin. Upload plugin. Then choose the file and here choose Collectral ERP. Install it and activate plugin. That's it. Now you have here the Collectral plugin. And now let's register the ERP location. This is the value you put here, and this value, that value you need to put here and save it. And after that we need to register the device itself. So let's delete this device. So now it should be clean. Let's go here. Add server. Because you can have multiple servers. Then we add username, which is being visible in devices part. Here you can see your username. This will allow administrator of WordPress sites to recognize who this device belongs to. That's why you add your username and provide server description to recognize which server you are connected to and where you are sending data. Because you can have multiple servers connected to your Android mobile. From the account page of the Collectral website you take the key and insert this value as numeric key and you save it. With this action you registered here. Let's go to devices and check. See, Demo User. Demo 2. Since you just registered, it's not used for now and it does not have any groups assigned to it. So this means you will not have forms even if you synchronize. This button in the right top corner is for simple synchronization. In device groups you can create device groups and each group has its own device. If you don't want to assign devices manually, you can set Auto Register and Device Group, and all new registered devices will be automatically registered in Group 2. If you have 1000 devices, it will be hard for you to do it manually. That's why it's good to enable this option. After you register your devices, disable it for security perspective. Now let's go and set a device to Group 2 for example. We selected 2. It is not selected automatically because it was not in auto-register mode and it was just created. That's why this device was not registered in Group 2 automatically. In future we will have new functionalities because we constantly develop the application ERP component.